Hey guys, today we'll be checking on this Mazda 2 2019 model individual. As you can see, the clear coat has bent from the sun. This side is very shiny and this side is not. The clear coat has faded. Clearly they used a cheap clear coat. So yeah, I'll be doing some DIY, trying my luck. So we have some sandpaper, wet sandpapers here. I'll be doing from 600 to 2000. Can't find 3000 anywhere around. So yeah, I'll be ending on 2000. Right now, as you can see, I'm using 600 grit for wet sandpaper. This thing is tiring, guys. It's very tiring. Yes guys, okay, right now I'm done with sanding using 600 to 800. I'll be using 1.5 now. I've skipped 1.2 because I don't wanna get tired from this sanding, so I'm using 1.5. and as you can see on top of right below my hand there's a crack that's showing that old bent clear coat, the stubborn one. So I'll be doing some work with this 1.5 so that it cannot be visible under my new clear coat. So yeah, the other thing is that when you are done sanding, the dryness will show where it's shiny, where you're supposed to do some a bit of sanding. Yeah, because the clear coat won't stay on that shiny part. It will eventually crack in the next few weeks or so. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so this is where that stubborn crack is, that cracked old clear coat. So I'm trying to not go too hard on it, but I'm trying to, it's giving me hard time to remove it. But I'm trying by all means that I don't go through the base coat. So right now, as you can see, there's some, I don't know, the guys who painted this car before, they used a different color from the OEM color. So as you can see, that's the color there. They used maroon instead of the 46V coat. This soul red Mazda soul red color, yeah. So right now I'm trying to remove this paint. It has some white. I don't know if it's their primer or what's going on, but when I scratch it under it, as you can see here, it's going until I see the original Mazda color base coat, you see. So I don't know how they were working on this car. They just sprayed the wrong color to hide something, I don't know, because it shows that they didn't even try to sand the base coat, they just sprayed on top of it. So yeah, luckily I can remove it, and under there the base coat is still fine. Just for me to sand it nicely so that my clear coat can stick to it better. Okay, this is after I've done sanding the car, and unfortunately I wasn't able to record the process where I spray the car, so I'll have to apologize for that. Sorry guys, sorry, but this is how it came out. Yeah, I've tried my best, and here where it had some scratches, I couldn't find this body filler, so I've tried to hide them for temporary, and yeah, this is how it looks. And this is how it blends with the whole car. And thank you for watching, guys. See ya.